Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of This Is How You Do It with Dad and AJ. AJ, what are we going to be talking about today?
Butterflies! And we are very excited to show you these 3 species of butterflies that we have in our garden. And we are going to show you how to attract them with the plants, the food, and their cycle.
Okay, what kind of butterflies are they? What are the 3?
We're going to show you the zebra longwing, the Gulf Fritillary, and the variegated Fritillary. They are both beautiful. They are all beautiful types of butterflies, and we are going to show you how to get them here.
All right. So we are here in Florida, and this vine that you see next to us is one of the host plants, larval host plants for the Gulf Fritillary, the variegated Fritillary, and the zebra longwing. The botanical name for this one is called Passiflora incarnata. It is native to most of the United States. It's a very cold, hardy, flowering vine. I'll show you a very pretty flower that just opened up today. These also smell very nice. And the butterflies absolutely love it. So AJ, why don't you show us some of these caterpillars that we have on our vines?
Alrighty, I'm going to show you the Gulf Fritillary. Here it is. It's orange, and their spikes are not toxic like most others, because most others have toxic spikes to where if you touch them, no, it can't hurt you. They are actually soft.
Okay. Very good. All right, so that's a Gulf Fritillary, and they are very common in the southern United States. Very similar to the variegated Fritillary.
And now,
what's the other one
we
have,
are going to show you the zebra longwing. It's this little dotted one here, and also their spikes are also not toxic, and they also have spikes.
So what's interesting here is you can see that these 2 species of butterflies are here right next to each other. We've got a Gulf Fritillary caterpillar and a zebra longwing caterpillar right next to each other on the same plant. And you'll see this very commonly. What do we have going on over here, AJ?
And this zebra longwing is making a cocoon.
So this caterpillar has reached the end of its cycle as a caterpillar and is now hanging upside down, about to shed its skin for the last time to become a chrysalis. And that's just the proper term for a butterfly cocoon. Then after about 2 weeks, it'll come out as a beautiful zebra longwing butterfly. And AJ, what do we have in this jar here? And
here we have this jar that has this zebra longwing, and they have these beautiful metallic-y gold spots on them. It kind of looks like a bat.
So this very, perhaps ugly looking chrysalis you see here might pass for, a dead leaf or something that you would see on the vine, but this is the chrysalis of the zebra longwing, and it looks similar to the Fritillary. But like AJ was saying, you can see the metallic spots on it there, and this will emerge as a butterfly after about 2 weeks. And AJ, why did we go ahead and take this chrysalis off the vine and put him in a jar all protected like that?
We put him in the jar because there are these wasps that poke holes into them and try to make nests in them, and it kills the butterfly inside.
All right, so why don't you go ahead and put your chrysalis back in the jar where it's protected. And there's another small zebra longwing caterpillar there. It's kind of hard to focus the camera right there. But we're going to show you what happens to these chrysalises when they are preyed upon by parasitic wasps that like to lay their eggs in the chrysalis, and then the adult wasps emerge. So you can see here, this is a Gulf Fritillary cocoon, chrysalis that has been attacked by parasitic wasps. And you can see this very small hole there where the adult wasps have emerged. So when you wonder why no butterfly has emerged from this, it's because it has been preyed upon. So when you break this open, it's actually hollow. The young wasps have already eaten the butterfly from the inside out and emerged as adults. So that's why we went ahead and protected this chrysalis of the zebra longwing, and we will release that butterfly when it's ready. So in our next update video, we'll show you how to mount one of these. Right, AJ?
Yes. And Also, one last thing. These can actually be very hard to take care of because you got to keep refeeding them. Like sometimes we used to put caterpillars in the jar and you have to give them, like we put water in there, a bowl, like a glass to put the leaves in, but it almost kills the plants how much you have to cut off the plant to feed to
AJ is referring to us having to manually raise the caterpillars by feeding them and keeping them protected the entire time, whereas now we've waited for the caterpillars to go through life on their own and then to take the chrysalis when it's ready to protect it from wasps. So we've gone away from the feeding thing, which is a little more labor intensive on our part, and let nature do more of the work for us. All right, everybody. So AJ, what should our fans do if they like our video?
Please like and subscribe and make sure to watch more videos.
All right. We'll see you next time.
Bye.